This is for class 8th, pollution of air and water, chapter 18 it is, okay? So let me start with it. Okay, so first we'll see like what do you mean by global warming? What does deforestation lead to the global warming? What would be the effects of this global warming, okay? So let me start. What first is what do you mean by global warming? Let us see what do we mean by global warming. Next, we are going to see how does deforestation lead to the global warming, and the last is what would be the effects of global warming. Okay, so first is what do you mean by global warming? Okay, now what do we mean by a global warming? Global warming, okay, global warming is the increase in average temperature of the earth. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I'm giving you all the notes over here. What do you mean by global warming? Global warming is the increase in average temperature of the earth. Next, let us see how does deforestation lead to the global warming. Okay, like deforestation meaning cutting of the trees, etc. Okay, let us see. Deforestation reduces the number of trees. The trees use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, thus, cutting down the trees causes accumulation of carbon dioxide. The increased amount of carbon dioxide traps more heat radiated by the earth, and the average temperature of the earth rises. This is known as global warming. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, and let me give you all the final. Okay, this is the third one, the last one. What would be the effects of global warming? Let us see what are the effects of global warming. Due to global warming, sea level will rise and the coastal areas will be flooded. Okay, it would affect the rainfall pattern, agriculture, forest, plants and animals. So these are the effects of the global warming. Okay, I hope you all have understood today's lecture, meaning today's class, and thanks for watching.